Beginning of December was wonderful. It got cold quickly and even 30 centimeters of fluffy snow fell. However, weather forecast does not promise anything good. There is only one day of sunny, snowy winter and the rain will come with heat. There is no other choice but to go in search of untraveled snow roads. We are driving with manual transmission that is falling apart. A few cock teeth fell out of a second gear, but we managed to find and buy old new transmission for 4. Therefore had the courage to go for a drive even with a defective box. If waited until everything is repaired, spring might come. Today we will cover quite a few snowy roads, hills and even drive through ice of a frozen river. I recommend staying until the end. Stop to skid some donuts in the fields. Try to drive easy as we are in the middle of nowhere and currently driving with a broken gearbox. Although today's route is often visited, we found places that aren't traveled by anyone. Of course, there will definitely be a fallen tree on the road. Only have a toy electric saw, but the obstacle must be removed from the path. Managed to cut through the pipe. Doubt if the battery will last for a second cut, so tie recovery rope to the end of a pine and pull it off the road with force. More or less, road is free. Let's move on. A bit miscalculated and managed to fly drone sideways into a leaning birch tree. Luckily, fields are full of fluffy snow at the moment and drone lands softly without damage. We arrive at the river. Didn't expect it to be completely frozen. Check thickness of the ice and try to drive across ford. River here is only 30 centimeters deep, otherwise wouldn't risk driving on the ice of a river. Oddly enough, ice on the river supports Ford's weight without any problems, only crackles can be heard, which camera's microphone barely records.
Vieno drono storio ledas.
Manual gearbox is still working, which is a pleasant surprise, and with the existing 4 gears we are successfully driving home. Don't want to drive further away from Cholet, cause you'll never know when Ford could become undrivable. That's it with the trips this year. Work on the new gearbox is waiting, and problems with oil leakage from the engine will also need to be solved. We'll be preparing for technical inspection, which is expected in spring. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We will meet again in garage when gearbox repair work starts.